Welcome back to the Speedbirds Adventures channel. Today we are starting an unforgettable journey through the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country, heading to the magnificent Galboda Waterfall. Right now we are at the Nanuoya Railway Station, a popular spot among travelers for its scenic view and the gateway to the hill country. For nearly 3 hours, the train waves a magical path through the very heart of Sri Lanka's central highlands. You will see tall, endless tea plantations, eucalyptus forest and dense natural forest. This railway line is legendary for a reason, and it's the perfect start to our trek. This is one of the most scenic rail journey in Asia. Here we are, Galboda. This is a small village nestled right on the rail track between Vatavalla and Navalapitiya. Until recently, this place was quite remote with almost no proper access roads. There are two main ways to get here: by this train, which is the most scenic option, or by a very long and bumpy road. We highly recommend the train. From the station, the trek is straightforward. We walk along the railway line for about 200 meters until we reach a signboard showing the direction to Galboda Waterfalls. The first part of the hike is gently climbed through these beautiful grasslands and tea plantations. It's about 1 kilometer to the ticket counter. Keep your eyes peeled because this area is teeming with life. We have already spotted so many birds, butterflies, and these incredible wildflowers. It's a nature lover's paradise. We have reached the ticket counter. It's a small fee that goes towards maintaining the area. Now, the path changes beyond this point. It gets narrow and more wild. The forest here is what known as a disturbed forest, and it's largely dominated by an invasive species, the Clusia rosa. It's create a unique atmosphere. The path can be a bit muddy and slippery. Wow, there is our first proper look at Galboda Fall. What a sight! Even from here, you can feel its power. There is a suspension bridge. It sinks just enough to make it fun. Listen. This is a suspension bridge over the river, over the stream. This area is a hotspot for butterflies. We were lucky enough to see a Gaudi Baron with its beautiful patterned wings, the stunning Blue Mormon and the common blue bottle. It's absolutely magical. The surrounding woodlands is a fragile ecosystem home to a rare species of orchids and wide variety of wildlife. It's so important that we protect them. Always stick to the paths, carry all your trash back with you, and leave nothing but footprints. Let's ensure that generation to come and enjoy this same beauty. And here we are. After that incredible journey by train and on foot, we have arrived. This is a breathtaking Galboda Waterfall. It stands 30 meters high and its width can change dramatically depending on the season. Today it's flowing powerfully. What an incredible journey that was. If you are enjoying traveling with us to Galboda Waterfall, please give your video a huge thumb up. It's really helped us out. We would like to hear from you which part of the journey was your favorite. Until the next adventure, explore responsibly and we all see you in the next one.